Good day everyone, welcome back. This is 100% Financial Freedom. If you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, allow you to recommend this video for more people. In today's video, we want to talk about...
Good day everyone. In today's update on IRS tax refunds, we will explore the latest developments concerning the ongoing delays in tax refunds. Additionally, we will discuss the upcoming batch of tax refunds scheduled for release this week. We'll also delve into the current numbers provided by the IRS regarding the backlog of unprocessed tax returns and amended returns. Moreover, we'll examine an important date that has passed for those still awaiting refunds, and we'll highlight some major causes contributing to these refund delays. Let's begin with the tax refunds. The next batch of direct deposit refunds is set to be released on June 14th, as confirmed by the tax transcript shown here. If you are part of this batch, expect the funds to reach your bank account by June 19th. In case you haven't received the refund by then, you can initiate a payment trace. For those expecting a paper check refund, the IRS will mail out the next batch on June 16th, with most recipients receiving their checks within 7 to 10 days. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to allow YouTube to recommend this video for more people. Turning our attention to the backlog of unprocessed tax returns, we have witnessed a decrease for the second consecutive week, bringing the total to 3.8 million unprocessed tax returns. This backlog comprises both this year's and last year's filings. Among these, 1.7 million are e-file returns requiring special processing, while 2.1 million are paper returns. However, unless the IRS accelerates its progress, it is unlikely that this backlog will be cleared before mid-October. For those waiting for amended returns, the backlog of unprocessed amended returns has increased for the second consecutive week, now reaching 1.49 million. This marks an increase of 20,000 returns in just the past week. If you are waiting for your amended return, expect a wait time of at least 5 months. Interestingly, some viewers who filed their amended returns last year have reported receiving their refunds close to the 1-year mark. As tax refund delays persist and affect millions of individuals, we have identified some top reasons contributing to these delays aside from the IRS's slow processing. Firstly, if your tax return is under audit, especially if you claim the earned income tax credit, it can lead to a delay. Even if you have claimed this credit before with the same dependents, your return may still undergo an audit. It is crucial to respond promptly to any documentation request by the IRS to expedite the audit and refund issuance process. Claiming the fuel tax credit can also result in extended waiting periods due to the prevalence of fraud associated with this credit. The IRS is taking extra precautions by thoroughly reviewing tax returns that claim this credit. Additionally, if the IRS has not yet processed your employer's wage information, you may experience further delays. In such cases, you may receive one or multiple 60-day notices from the IRS. Eventually, the IRS may require you to submit a W-2 and follow certain steps depending on the time that has passed.
ID
verification continues to impact the release of some tax refunds. If you are affected by this, expect to receive a notice from the IRS. However, it is essential to check your tax transcripts for any notices with a 970. One tax transcript code listed. If you see a 971 code within the last 30 days, but haven't received a notice from the IRS, it is recommended to contact them promptly for a replacement notice or to clarify the required items. Finally, those waiting for paper tax returns to be processed can expect some of the longest waiting times. The same applies to paper amended returns. This is because the IRS must manually process these returns into the system, causing potential delays. As a result, individuals who file paper returns may not see updates on "Where's my refund?" or their tax transcripts until their returns have been processed. If you are still waiting for a refund from a tax return filed before the April 18th deadline, it's important to note that IRS interest payments have come into effect. This is because any tax refunds not paid within 45 days of the filing deadline start accruing interest at a rate of 7%. Typically, these interest payments are not substantial based on the average refund amount. However, if your refund is significantly higher, the interest payments can be more noticeable, especially if you experience additional delays. It's crucial to be aware that interest payments of $10 or more received from the IRS on late refunds are taxable. You must report them as income on your 2023 tax return. The IRS will provide a 1099-G form in late January for anyone receiving an interest payment, which must be reported accordingly. We would like to hear from you in the comments section below about your ongoing tax refund issues. In the meantime, we will continue monitoring the situation for further developments. Make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe buttons below for future updates on this channel. Thank you for watching 1000 Financial Freedom YouTube channel. We love you all.